Unlock space and peace. Decluttering tips. Discover how decluttering can open up 40% of your home space and bring clarity to your mind. Imagine walking into a room that feels spacious and inviting, where every item has its place. The transformation from cluttered to clean can be truly remarkable, not just visually, but emotionally as well. A cluttered home can make us feel stressed and overwhelmed. But did you know that freeing up space can also clear your mind? When your surroundings are organized, it's easier to focus and relax. Today, I'll show you how to transform your environment. It's not just about getting rid of things. It's about creating a space that supports your well-being. Let's start with the basics of decluttering. Step 1. Start by sorting. Separate items into keep, donate, and discard piles. This initial step helps you see what you truly need and what's just taking up space. Ask yourself if each item has been used in the last year. If not, it might be time to let it go. This can be a tough decision, but it's essential for making real progress. Visual labels popping up on boxes, items being placed accordingly. Labeling boxes can make the process smoother and more organized. Step 2. Organize what remains. This is where you can get creative with storage solutions. Give every item a home and consider using organizers or shelves to maximize space. Think about vertical storage and underbed solutions to make the most of your space. These small changes can make a big difference in how your home feels. To keep your space clutter-free, schedule regular mini decluttering sessions. Just 15 minutes a week can help maintain the tranquility of your space. It's a small investment of time for a big return in peace of mind. These quick sessions can prevent clutter from building up again. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in just a short amount of time. Embrace the minimalist lifestyle and enjoy the peace that comes with it. A serene, clutter-free home can be your sanctuary, a place where you can truly relax and recharge. For more tips on decluttering and simplifying your life, subscribe to our channel. We're here to help you create a home that supports your best self. Don't miss out on our latest advice and inspiration. Thank you for watching, and here's to a more peaceful, organized home.